73 PCS Cake Decorating Supplies Kit for Beginners, 1 Turntable Stand, 24 Numbered Easy to Use Icing Tips with Pattern Chart and eBook, 1 Cake Leveler Straight and Angled Spatula, 3 Russian Piping Nozzles. Most complete, high quality and easy to use cake decorating kit perfect for beginner, kids and pros with help of numbered tips, pattern chart and eBook. Here is what you will get. 1 smooth revolving turntable. It will make your life easy by rotating cake 360 degrees instead of rotating yourself. 2 professionally selected, numbered and easy to use tips. 3 1 straight spatula. Use it to shift and spread icing evenly. Smooth sides of round cakes. 4 1 angled spatula, best for icing cakes. Tops.It does not let your hand to touch cake while icing. 5 3 cake scrapers. Use them for shifting, smoothing and level the icing. 6 3 Russian piping tips. Pipe beautiful flower using these tips with just a little squeeze. 7 1 heart shape silicone mold. Just pour liquid chocolate/icing in this mold, freeze it and get perfect hearts. 8 2 couplers. 9 1 decorating pen. Fill them with icing, apply even pressure and start decorating like normal. 10 to 1 Peruvian huevos flower nail. 11 1 flower lifter scissor. 12 1 silicon reusable pastry bag. Use it, wash it and it is ready to use again. 13 25 disposable icing bags. Don't like washing icing bags? No worries, 25 disposable icing bags are in set. Use and throw away. 14 1 cleaning brush. Don't spoil your hands cleaning tips. Use RFAQK Cleaning Brush to remove icing from narrow tops. 15 printed pattern chart. 16 eBook User Guide, provided by mail. Smooth revolving turntable. RFAQK turntable stand revolves smoothly with hidden ball bearings and helps you easily decorate cakes for birthdays, weddings and other events. It revolves clock and anti-clockwise, good for both right and left-handers. Use RFAQK straight spatula for icing round cakes from sides and angled spatula from top while rotating turntable. Turntable is made from non-sticky, non-toxic and dishwasher-safe plastic. Ideal for beginners as well as for professionals. Complete cake decorating supplies, only set including everything you need to start decorating cakes like a pro. 1-1-inch turntable to 4 numbered and easy to use icing tips. 1 cake leveler. 1-1-inch straight and angled spatula. Pattern chart showing outcome of each tip. E.Book User guide for beginners. 3 Russian tips. 3 cake scrapers. 2 coupler heart chocolate mold. 1 pastry bag. 30 disposable icing bags. 1 decorating pen. 1 flower nail. 1 flower lifter. 1 cleaning brush. Wedding decorating supplies. Numbered tips, easy to use. This is the only set having numbered tips with pattern chart. So you don't have to worry about which tips produce what kind of decoration. Just have a look on pattern chart where we have provided outcome of each tip to make tip selection very easy. Top professionally selected tips. We have selected top 24 tips including 2 round tips, 3 leaf tips, 2 petal tips, 2 French tips, 2 basket weave tips, 5 open star tips and 4 close star tips, 2 drop flower tips. Useful accessories. Spice your decoration with 3 flower. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.